Welcome back to WWII Reborn. In today's video, we're diving deep into a fascinating part of World War II history that many people don't know about: the experience of German prisoners of war in the United States, and how they were completely shocked by America's industrial and economic power. This isn't just a story about war, it's a story about perspective, technology, and what happens when ideology meets reality. When German soldiers were captured and sent to POW camps in the United States, many of them expected harsh treatment or poor living conditions. After all, that's what propaganda had taught them, that America was weak, chaotic, and morally corrupt. But what they found was something entirely different. The camps were well organized, food was plentiful, and most surprisingly, they were treated with a level of respect that stunned them. Many of these soldiers were farmers, factory workers, or craftsmen before the war, so when they began working in American industries or near factories, their entire perception of the war changed. They saw rows upon rows of tanks, aircraft, and ships being built at a scale they could hardly comprehend. The speed, efficiency, and sheer productivity of American manufacturing left them speechless. Some German officers reportedly said that if they had seen this before, they would have known the war was unwinnable. The United States had achieved a level of industrial might that even Germany, with all its engineering brilliance, couldn't match. These POWs also witnessed the human side of America's workforce. They saw women working in factories, African Americans contributing to production, and a level of social cooperation that they had been taught was impossible in a decadent democracy. The irony was that the freedom and diversity of the American system, something Nazi propaganda mocked, was actually the key to its strength. From a performance standpoint, America's wartime industry was unmatched. During the height of the war, the U.S. was producing one bomber every hour, one ship every day, and millions of rounds of ammunition weekly. The sheer logistics of this operation were beyond imagination. For the German POWs, it was like stepping into a different world, one powered by innovation, freedom, and unity rather than control and fear. Now, if we talk about price, in a broader sense, the cost of this industrial miracle was enormous: billions of dollars, countless hours of labor, and the mobilization of an entire society. But the result was a production capacity that didn't just win the war, it shaped the modern world. After returning to Germany, many former POWs carried these memories with them. Some even admitted that their time in America had changed how they viewed democracy and capitalism. So, when we look back, this story isn't just about German soldiers being amazed by machines or factories. It's about how exposure to a different system can shatter illusions. It's about how power isn't just measured in weapons, but in ideas, organization, and unity. That's the real lesson behind the shock of the German POWs, and the incredible industrial might of the United States. If you enjoyed this deep dive into World War II history, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful stories here on WWII Reborn.